If you want to create an account on GitHub, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. As you can see right here, you will see two options: sign in to github.com or sign in with GitHub Enterprise. You won't see a button to sign up. In order for this to work out, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser. And then we're going to go ahead to the official website of GitHub. Alright, click the three bars at the top left, or you can just go ahead and enter your email to sign up. And just go ahead and click sign up from here. And there isn't any difference. Just go ahead and enter your email, okay? And then basically what you're gonna do after you enter the email, you're gonna hit continue, okay? And basically what you're gonna do after you've gone to continue right here, enter or create a password, okay? And after you enter a strong password, hit continue, enter a username from here, okay? And basically go and continue from here, and then they're gonna verify your account, okay? And please solve this puzzle to so we can let you know. Okay, so we need to verify that we are human beings. Okay, something like that. Hit submit. We're gonna wait for a few moments, and as you can see, we verified our account, and we're gonna enter the code that's been sent to us from Gmail. So I'm gonna see right here the GitHub code 688 68 sorry 8 6886 86, okay, and 2511 2511, okay. And afterwards, after you verify the code, you're gonna be able to log in using your credentials. You can go back and just sign in with your account now with GitHub app, all right? And basically once you sign up, now you're gonna be able to have access to your GitHub, to basically have access to your personal user data and notifications. Click authorize, and from here you're gonna be able to log in using your credentials. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.